Chapter 8. Gulliver Goes to the Capital. One day I hear the farmer and his wife talking. "People are paying a lot of money to see Gulliver," says the farmer's wife. "Yes, but we can get more money," says the farmer. "I want to take Gulliver to the big city. People there have a lot of money." "You're right," says his wife. "Take Gulliver to the big city tomorrow." The next morning we go to Lumblegrad, the big city. Gimbella makes a comfortable bed for me in the box. We travel for a long time, and I can't move my legs. We get to Lumblegrad 3 days later. I'm thin and weak, and the farmer isn't happy. "Gulliver is sick. I can't get more money now." The king of Ben-Bengal sends a message to the farmer. "Please bring Gulliver to the palace to meet the king." The farmer is excited. "Tomorrow you're going to the palace to sing and dance for the king and queen, Gulliver," he says. "Eat some food and be strong." The farmer gives me food and I eat it. I feel strong again. The next day we go to the palace. I sing and dance for the king and queen. They like me. "I want to buy Gulliver," the queen tells the farmer. "You can buy him for 1,000 pieces of gold," says the farmer. "Okay," says the queen, "and your daughter can live in the palace and take care of Gulliver." "Oh, thank you," Gimbella says. The farmer was cruel to me, and I don't like him. When he leaves, I don't say goodbye. Chapter 9. Life in the Palace.